The sponsor of this video is my Instagram. There is always everything new and interesting. If you want to subscribe, link in the description. Friends, hello to everyone. Another small package means it came in, or rather arrived in 25 days according to the application. Well, also, the seller sent it. They estimated 44 cents. In fact, it costs 14 rubles. Maybe 44 cents. Count it. So, the connector, respectively. There should be connectors with such an output from 12 volts. Since, maybe you have already seen, 2 connectors should arrive, but only one arrived. Not on time. All deadlines have already passed. I opened a dispute. My money was returned. The seller, so to speak, also compensated me for the deception that he sent one, although it was written in the order. There are 2. They cost me 113 rubles. That's with delivery. Now I'll tell you how much it was. If you take a black 2-pin one, then the total cost will be 78. And if you take 2, then 102 rubles. Oh, even cheaper by how much? By 12 rubles? Well, yeah, almost. 10 rubles cheaper. All the package is empty. These are the ones in general. Now I made it closer for you. Connectors, you see? They should open somehow. Like this in general. Here's a connector like this. There should be. You need these. These are, in my opinion, 2 and 1 for 5.5 connectors. These are the things. Well, it fits. It fits perfectly, everything from this. So, yeah, here it is. I found it. So, and for some reason my caliper turns on. Okay, I see. I also ordered 2.5 connectors, that is, 2.5 mm by 5.5. That's exactly what I took for this one. Everything fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Here it will be. Okay, I won't open it yet. Polarize it, so to speak. Well, I already said, this is for the LED strip. For 13 or 5 volts. Okay, I haven't cut my nails. I wouldn't have been able to open it without nails. They open. You see here now, I'll open it here too. I'll show you well, although the seller has it all on his page, I think, on the screenshot.
странице заказа все это есть.
It opened there. Here. This is how it all looks. See? A 2-pin LED strip is inserted here.
Ширину надо померить, так, какую заказывать. Сейчас я вам скажу. Максимальный. Как она, ширина, да, максимально. Так, подождите, здесь же надо поставить 0, да.
But 8 millimeters. Here, 7 and 9. In general, 8 millimeters is the width of the LED strip that goes here.
Ширина светодиодной ленты сюда заходит, закрывается. И все, и уходит ленточка. Далее все.
I'll show you, I'll tell you, but that's in the next video. When it arrives, it will be cut, connected with special corners. Well, you probably already saw it in the previous videos, where I did it there. TV backlight TV and laid the monitor under the shelf, so to speak. This is the workspace. I ordered 2 at once. Just in case for the future, the next side, so to speak, of the project, all friends on this, everything seems to be in order. The middle one can be bent if there is poor contact or it disappears altogether. Well, that's all. Let's write. Skip the next video. Well, if you repost it, it will be the best rating for me.
Всем пока.